Conveniently get 3 of the most popular game room games in one table with the original Fat Cat Pockey 7 feet black 3-in-1 air hockey, billiards, and table tennis table. Shoot some pool with some friends or easily flip the table for a fast-paced game of air hockey. Now add in the portable table tennis top and you've got 3 classic games on one table. This sleek table will fit perfectly in any rec room at an affordable price. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Get 3 games for the price of 1 on this convenient space-saving table. Number 2. Featured game modes are billiards, air hockey, and table tennis, all full games without sacrificing quality. Number 3. Tri-fold tabletop technology makes changing games a snap, just unlock the latches and flip it over. Can also be locked upright for simple storage. Number 4. Convenient 7-foot size fits easily into tight game room spaces, allowing you to place it almost anywhere. Number 5. Includes all of the accessories needed to play the games you love such as pool cues and billiard balls, hockey pucks and pushers, and table tennis paddles and net. Number 6. Dimensions: 87 inches length by 44 inches width by 32 inches height, 286 pounds. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.